Hi guys, this is Sir Janelle and welcome to Mathalks. Kung saan pag-uusapan natin ang math topics from grade 7 to grade 12. And for our first topic, we have addition of integers. We have four basic operations on integers. Namely, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But in this video, we will focus on addition of integers. Before we talk about the rules kung paano ba mag-add ng integers, pag-usapan muna natin kung ano ang integers, right? So when we say integers, ito po ay composed ng negative numbers, 0, and positive numbers. Again, ang integers, we have negative numbers, 0, at saka positive numbers. Now, kapag meron tayong number line, this is called number line, it can be extended sa left and right infinitely. Yung pinakagitna dyan, that can be represented by 0. Take note, ang 0 po, walang sign. Hindi po yan negative, hindi din positive. Now, sa right side ng ating 0, those are the positive numbers. Again, sa right side ng ating 0, ang mga positive numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Again, infinitely natin siya ma-extend to the right side. Sa left side naman ng 0, yan yung mga negative numbers. We have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and so on. Until infinitely din natin siya ma-extend to the left side. So, these are the integers. Meron tayong negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Again, ang ating integers composed ng negative numbers, 0, and positive numbers. Now, when we add integers, we have two cases. Ang first case natin, we have same signs. Again, we have same signs. When we say same sign, meaning pagkapareho sila ng sign. For example, we have pareho silang negative or pareho silang positive. Diba kanina sabi natin ng integers composed of negative, 0, and positive numbers. So yung case 1 natin, magkapareho sila ng signs. Ang second case naman natin or case 2, magkaiba sila ng sign or different signs. Again, two cases. First case, same signs. Second case, different signs. Now, kapag meron tayong same signs or yung first case natin na magkapareho ang signs ng dalawang numbers, meron tayong two steps to solve this problem or to solve this given. First step natin is copy the sign. Kung ano yung sign nila, i-copy lang natin. That will be the sign of our answer. Okay? Kung pareho silang negative, therefore, ang sign ng answer is also negative. Kung pareho silang positive, therefore, ang sign ng ating answer is also positive. Ang second step natin, we will add the numbers. I-disregard natin yung sign and then i-add natin ang numbers. Okay? Let me give you an example para mas makita ninyo. For example, we have 3 plus 7. Di ba napakadali lang ng 3 plus 7? Actually, kahit mga grade 3 or grade 4, grade 2, grade 1, makapag-add na ng 3 plus 7, right? Now, ano ang sign ni 3? Take note, ang sign ni 3 is positive, right? This is positive 3. Ang sign ni 7, that is also positive. Now, magkapareho ba sila ng sign? The answer is yes. Positive 3, positive 7. Now, ano yung step 1 natin kapag same signs? Copy the sign. So, positive plus positive, that is positive also. Second step, add the numbers. 3 plus 7, that is 10. Therefore, when we add 3 plus 7 or positive 3 plus positive 7, that is positive 10 or simply 10 na lang. Pwede nating tanggalin na lang si positive kasi understood to be 10 understood to be positive na yan. Okay? Again, the answer is positive 10 or 10. Let's have another example. Negative 3 plus negative 7. Now, in this case, may negative numbers na tayo. Tingnan natin yung dalawang numbers na pinag-a-add natin. Yung first number natin is negative 3. Yung second number natin is negative 7. Question, magkapareho ba sila ng sign? Yes, pareho silang negative, right? Now, ano yung first step natin? Copy the sign. Since nag-add tayo ng dalawang negative, therefore, the answer is also negative. Second step, add the numbers. I-disregard natin yung sign, add the numbers. 3 plus 7, that is 10. Therefore, negative 3 plus negative 7 is negative 10. Again, negative 3 plus negative 7 is negative 10. Copy the sign, add the numbers. Let me give you another example. Let's have example number 3. We have 8 plus 9. Ano ang sign ni 8? That is positive, understood to be positive. Ano ang sign ni 9? Positive. Now, since we have the same sign na positive, ano ang first step natin? Copy the sign. Ang sign nila, positive. Therefore, the answer is also positive. Step 2, add the numbers. What is 8 plus 9? 8 plus 9 is 17. Therefore, 8 plus 9 is positive 17 or just 17. Okay? Yan ang ating example number 3. Let's have last example. How about when we have negative 15 plus negative 17? Ano ang sign ni 15? Negative. Ano ang sign ni 17? Also negative. Since we have same signs, ano ang first step? Copy the sign. Ano ang signs nilang dalawa? Negative. Therefore, the answer is also negative. Step 2, add the numbers. What is 15 plus 17? Take note, i-disregard ang sign, i-add lang ang numbers. 15 plus 17, that is 32. Therefore, negative 15 plus negative 17 is negative 32. Yan po ang ating pag-add ng same signs. Review tayo guys. Again, ang first case natin, we have same signs. When can we say na same signs sila? Pag magkapareho silang positive, positive plus positive, or negative plus negative. Ano ang steps? First step, copy the sign. Second step, add the numbers. Yan po ang ating case number 1. Proceed naman tayo sa ating case 2. Sa case 2 natin, we have different signs. Magkaiba sila ng signs. Yung isa positive, yung isa negative. Or, yung isa negative, yung isa positive. We have 2 steps also to solve for this kind of case. First step natin, copy the sign of the bigger number. Actually, dapat dito, copy the sign of the bigger absolute number. So, kunin muna natin yung absolute value ng dalawang numbers. Kung saan dyan yung mas malaki, siya yung ating ikakopy na sign. Step 2 natin, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So, yung smaller number, isasubtract natin siya sa bigger number. Let me give you an example. We have here, negative 3 plus 7. Ano ang sign ni 3? Negative. Ano ang sign ni 7? Positive. Right? So, si 3 negative, si 7 positive. Sabi sa step 1, they have different signs ha. Sabi sa step 1, copy the sign of the bigger number. Anong mas malaki? Si 3 or si 7? Huwag muna natin pakialaman ang sign. Mas malaki si 7, right? Now, ano ang sign ni 7? Positive. Therefore, copy the sign of the bigger number. Ang bigger number is 7. Ang sign ni 7 is positive. Therefore, the answer is also positive. Step 2. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So, si 3 isasubtract natin kay 7. What is 7 minus 3? That is 4. Therefore, negative 3 plus 7 is positive 4. Again, copy the sign of the bigger number, which is the 7, so positive. Subtract natin yung smaller from the bigger, or subtract natin siya sa malaki. 7 minus 3 is 4. So, the answer is positive 4. Another example, how about this? 3 plus negative 7. Ano ang sign ni 3? Positive. Understood to be positive. Ano ang sign ni 7? Negative. Right? Since magkaiba ang sign nila, positive si 3, negative si 7, so ang susundin natin is yung case number 2 na different signs. Ano ang ating first step? Copy the sign of the bigger number. Ano ang mas malaki? Si 3 or 7? Again wala tayong pakialam muna sa sign. Mas malaki si 7. Ano ang sign ni 7? Negative. Therefore, ang sign ng ating answer is also negative. Copy the sign of the bigger number. Second step, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So, si 3 pa rin, isubtract natin kay 7. 7 minus 3, that is 4. Okay? So, 3 plus negative 7 is negative 4. Okay, let's have a next example. 8 plus negative 9. How about this one? Ang sign ni 8 is positive. Ang sign ni 9 is negative. Copy the sign of the bigger number. Mas malaki si? Tama, si 9. Tama? Ang sign ni 9 is negative, so the answer is also negative. Subtract natin ang mas maliit to the bigger or from the bigger. We have 9 minus 8, that is 1. Therefore, 8 plus negative 9 is negative 1. Let's have last example. 15 plus negative 17. Ano ang mas malaki? Take note, magkaiba sila ng sign. Si 15 positive, si 17 negative. Step 1, copy the sign of the bigger number. Mas malaki si 17, right? Tama. So, ano ang sign ni 17? Negative. So, the answer is also negative. Subtract natin, 17 minus 15, that is 2. So, the answer is negative 2. 15 plus negative 17 is negative 2. Ganun lang po ang ating pag-add ng integers when we have different signs. Ano ang step 1? Copy the sign of the bigger number. Step 2, subtract the smaller number from the bigger. Review tayo guys ng ating na-discuss for this video. We have two cases when we add integers. First case, same signs. Second case, different signs. When we have same signs or nag-add tayo ng parehong positive or nag-add ng parehong negative, anong step 1? Copy the sign. Step 2, add the numbers. Okay? Punta naman tayo sa case 2. Sa case 2 natin, magkaiba ang sign or different signs. For example, positive plus negative or negative plus positive. Ano ang step 1? Tama. Copy the sign of the bigger number. Step 2, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Yan po ang ating pag-add ng integers. Now, your turn. Let's have some exercises. I'll give you time to answer these items, and then after 5 minutes, we will check your answers. Let's start. Time's up! Let's check your answers. Tingnan natin kung ano ang scores nyo. Let's start with the first item. 2 plus 16. Madali lang to, right? 2 is positive, 16 is positive. That is same sign, right? So, copy the sign and then add the numbers. What are the signs of 2 and 16? That is positive. Second step, add the numbers. 2 plus 16 is 18. So the answer is positive 18 or just 18. Second item, negative 16 plus negative 3. Same sign, different signs. Tama, same sign. Kasi 16 negative, si 3 negative. Kapag same sign, ano ang first step? Copy the sign. So answer is negative, right? Second step, add the numbers. What is 16 plus 3? That is 19. So the answer is negative 19. Again, copy the sign, add the numbers kapag same sign. Let's proceed to number 3. Dito naman, medyo challenging na kasi different signs na, right? Si 15, positive. Si 14, negative. Positive 15 plus negative 14. Different signs. Anong first step? Copy the sign of the bigger number. Mas malaki si 15, so the answer is positive. Now, subtract the numbers or subtract the smaller from the bigger. 15 minus 14, that is 1. So, we have positive 1 or just 1. Let's have number 4. Negative 21 plus 16. This one, same sign, different signs. Correct, different signs. Bakit? Si 21 negative, si 16 positive. Now, first step, copy the sign of the bigger number. So, we have negative kasi si 21 mas malaki. Then, subtract 21 minus 16, that is 5. So, the answer is negative 5. Let's have number 5. 13 plus negative 13. Ano yung ating case dito? Same signs ba or different signs? Different signs kasi positive si 13, negative si 13. Now, kapag same sign, copy the sign of the bigger number, right? Pero, if you take a look, Sir Junel, bakit walang mas malaki? Si 13 and 13, magkapareho lang. Right? So, skip muna natin si first step. Second step, subtract the numbers, right? So, we have 13 minus 13, that is 0. That's why wala tayong step 1 because na-mention ko kanina, wala pong sign si 0. So, the answer is 0. Kamusta ang scores niyo, guys? Perfect pa ba? Kung perfect, very good. Let's have number 6. 35 plus 30. Ito parang walang challenge, right? Kasi same sign sila. Pareho silang positive. Copy the sign, positive. Add the numbers. 35 plus 30, that is 65. So, answer is positive 65 or just 65. Number 7. 30 plus negative 35. Case 1 or case 2? Case 2, right? Kasi magkaiba silang ng signs. First step, copy the sign of the bigger number. Anong mas malaki? Si 35. Ano ang sign ni 35? Negative. So, the answer is negative. Now, subtract 35 minus 30, that is 5. So, answer is negative 5. Next, negative 31 plus negative 32. Same sign, different signs. Same signs, pareho silang negative. Tama. Now, ano ang step 1 natin kapag same signs? Copy the sign, right? So, negative ang answer. Second step, add the numbers. 31 plus 32, that is 63. So, the answer is negative 63. Again, copy the sign, add the numbers. Next, second to the last item, negative 19 plus 26. Same signs, different signs. Different signs. Ano ang mas malaki, 19 or 26? 26. Positive ba si 26? Yes, so the answer is also positive. Now, what is 26 minus 19? That is 7. So the correct answer is positive 7 or 7. Next, negative 100 plus 100. Same sign, different signs. Different signs. Anong mas malaki, si 100 or si 100? Wala. So skip muna natin si step 1. Second step, subtract What is 100 minus 100? That is 0. So wala po siyang sign, so the answer is 0. And that's the end guys ng ating exercise. Congratulations! Patingin nga kung anong scores nyo. Please comment sa ating comment section kung ano ang inyong scores over 10. Okay? Thank you so much for listening. I hope that you learned something from this video. See you in our next video. Bye-bye!